Tesla's low disk space warning appears when your vehicle's infotainment system storage is nearly full. This critical alert can significantly impact your Tesla's performance and functionality. This warning most commonly affects Tesla models manufactured between 2018 and 2022, which typically have 64 to 128 gigabytes of internal storage. The alert triggers when available storage drops below 10 to 15% of total capacity. When storage runs low, several key Tesla features become impacted. Performance slows down, software updates cannot install, and critical safety features like dashcam and Sentry mode may stop working properly. Understanding how Tesla allocates storage space helps identify the problem. System files consume 40 to 50%, while dashcam and Sentry mode footage can use 20 to 30%. Software updates, navigation data, music cache, and user logs make up the remainder. The main culprits behind low disk space are dashcam and Sentry mode footage, which accumulate over time, software update residuals from failed installations, system diagnostic logs, and cached music streaming data that fails to clear automatically. Here are the most effective solutions to resolve Tesla's low disk space warning, starting with the primary fix that works in most cases. The most effective immediate solution is formatting a USB drive for dashcam and Sentry mode footage. This method resolves the issue in 85 to 90% of cases. Navigate to Controls, then Safety, then Format USB device. This redirects all dashcam and Sentry mode footage to external storage, freeing up internal space. If the USB drive solution doesn't work, try these additional immediate fixes. First, clear your music streaming cache by logging out and back into services like Spotify. Second, perform a soft reset by holding both steering wheel scroll buttons for 10 to 15 seconds. This forces the system to clean up temporary files. Prevention is better than cure. Here are proactive strategies to avoid the low disk space warning entirely. Tesla is also working on future improvements, including cloud-based dashcam storage and expandable internal storage options for upcoming models. Remember, the USB drive solution works in most cases, but combining it with these prevention strategies will keep your Tesla running smoothly long-term.